Air fryers have hit a popularity due to the increased concerns and awareness of being healthy. However, there are concerns about risk factors and fear of toxicity and cancers. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. There are certain steps to be taken or considered to minimize the risk, like selection of a stainless steel basket instead of non-stick, which contains PFA, which is linked with hormonal disruptions. Avoid cooking on a higher temperature and minimize it to 15 to 20 minutes of cooking durations. People are aware only about the benefits like zero oil cooking method, but it minimizes the acrylamide exposure, which is extremely high while using it in a deep frying method. Remember, if you're using air fryer for ready to cook or ready to eat, or foods like nuggets, pizza, samosas, cutlets, etc., it becomes a bigger concern in terms of consumption of processed foods. I personally recommend let air fryer just be a complementary add-on to your kitchen if required, and add on to your regular cooking methods or traditional cooking methods like boiling, steaming, baking, sauteing, or grilling. The conclusion is be mindful what goes into the air fryer and not completely replacing our traditional method of cooking is the best. Thank you.